Nothing lasts forever. Now, picture this. It's 2015 and Walmart's e-commerce presence is, well, let's just say insignificant. Fast forward to today and we are seeing a whole new ballgame. Walmart's not just in the race, they're gaining ground and fast. So what's changed? Well, for starters, Walmart's finally woken up to the power of its secret weapon, its stores. With over 4,700 locations across the US, Walmart has something Amazon can only dream of: a vast, ready made distribution network. They're turning these stores into mini fulfillment centers, offering same day delivery and pickup options that can make even Prime look slow. But it's not just about logistics. Walmart's also beefing up its marketplace game. They're making it easier for third party sellers to join, offering competitive fees and even exploring ways to let sellers use Walmart stores as pickup points. It's like they're giving every small business owner a nationwide presence overnight. And let's not forget about tech. Walmart's been on a shopping spree, snatching up commerce startups left and right. They're investing big in AI, machine learning, and even exploring AR, or augmented reality rather, shopping experiences. Imagine trying on clothes or seeing how that new couch looks in your living room before you buy, all through the Walmart app. It's like Star Trek, but for shopping. Now you might be wondering, what does all of this mean for me as an e-commerce owner? Well, that's when things get really interesting. At Zena Intelligence, we have been helping brands navigate the Amazon landscape for years, and now with Walmart stepping up its game, we are expanding our expertise to help brands thrive on both these platforms. Whether it's optimizing your listings, fine-tuning your ad campaigns, or developing a multi-channel strategy, we've got the tools and know-how to boost your e-commerce success. But back to Walmart. They're not just copying Amazon's homework, they're playing to their strengths, particularly in grocery. Walmart Plus is evolving into a serious competitor to Prime, with perks that leverage Walmart's physical presence and grocery dominance. And they're doubling down on sustainability and social responsibility as well, appealing to conscious consumers who want their purchases to make positive impact. So what's the takeaway for e-commerce brands? Well, first, don't put all your eggs in one basket. As Walmart continues to grow its e-commerce presence, it's worth considering this expansion as part of your multi-channel strategy. And finally, remember that in this rapidly evolving landscape, adaptability is key. The brands that will thrive are those that can quickly pivot to meet changing consumer expectations and leveraging new technology. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. The e-commerce world isn't just about Amazon versus Walmart. It's about creating amazing shopping experiences that delight customers wherever they choose to shop. So whether you're team Amazon, team Walmart, or team why not both, focusing on delivering value and success will follow. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're ready to take your e-commerce game to the next level, drop us a line at Zena Intelligence, and until next time, happy selling.